What's the deal, you guys? CEO MK back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about credit and an introduction to the products and services that we provide. Number one, how to repair or build your credit. We offer an ebook that guides you through different dispute letters in addition to hiding your utilization and also applying for secure credit cards of $3,000 to $5,000 in order to make sure that you hit all data points required to obtain higher credit cards in the future. Number two is how to leverage your credit in order to make sure that you make money from your good credit. Two examples that I have are Tradelines in addition to helping people sell vacations. With Tradelines, you can provide over $80,000 annually by helping people repair or build their credit up and also applying for the right credit cards in order to redeem reward points to sell vacation to family members or friends. The third thing that you can do is liquidate your credit cards for business investments, real estate investments, or personal endeavors. Understanding that credit works in three forms: repairing, building, and leveraging your credit. Understanding these three concepts can take you to the next level as far as having good credit.